Several people, including relatives of the victims of the fire incident at the ICU ward of Savai Mansingh Hospital, are protesting against the state government and the hospital administration. Deceased kin have alleged that staff ignored fire warnings. Looking at the gravity of the situation, there is heavy police deployment outside the hospital. A massive fire broke out in the ICU of the SMS Hospital Trauma Center in Jaipur on Sunday night at around 11:20 p.m. causing a stampede. 8 patients, including 4 men and 2 women, lost their lives in the trauma center fire due to burns and suffocation. More than 6 people are said to be in a critical condition. Most patients in the trauma ICU were comatose, heightening the urgency of the situation. The trauma center team, along with nursing officers and ward boys, swiftly evacuated the patients using trolleys and relocated them to safer areas within the hospital. A short circuit is being reported as the cause of the fire in the trauma center's ICU. The fire was brought under control within 2 hours. A total of 18 patients admitted to the ICU and semi-ICU were shifted to other locations. Of these patients, 11 were admitted to ICU where the massive fire broke out, while 13 patients were receiving treatment in a nearby semi-ICU. The condition of half a dozen patients is reportedly to be critical. Some policemen who arrived first to the spot also got injured and are being provided with medical assistance. Those who suffocated during the rescue are also receiving treatment for having trouble breathing.
उसकी तह तक जाने के लिए हमने पुलिस आयुक्त जयपुर को कहा है कि इसकी पूरी गहराई से इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया जाए और उसमें एफएसएल और फायर डिपार्टमेंट की मदद के साथ तीनों मिलके इसमें घटना के कारणों की पूरी तरह से जानकारी लें और साथ ही साथ जो जांच हो तो ये भी उसमें आए कि भविष्य में इस तरह की दुर्घटना ना हो।
ये अभी हमारा एफएसएल टीम का जांच में सामने आएगा कि कॉज क्या है, क्या कारण रहा है आग लगने का। अभी प्रथम दृष्टया इलेक्ट्रिकल शॉर्ट सर्किट लग रहा है, लेकिन उसका फाइनल एफएसएल जांच के बाद ही बता पाएंगे। बाकी वो दोनों आईसीयूज मिलके 24 मरीज एडमिटेड थे, बाकी लोगों को दूसरे वार्ड्स में शिफ्ट किया है, उनका वहाँ इलाज चल रहा है।
Calling the incident extremely heartbreaking, former Rajasthan Chief Minister and Congress leader Ashok Gehlot demanded a high-level investigation into the deaths. Meanwhile, Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajan Lal Sharma visited the Savai Mansingh Hospital at 2:30 a.m. and reviewed the situation of the trauma center. He described the fire as tragic. Chief Minister instructed officials to provide all possible assistance to the victims. Bhajan Lal Sharma was also directed the formation of a high-level investigation committee headed by Iqbal Khan, Commissioner of the Medical Department, to probe the accident. The committee will investigate the causes for the fire, the hospital management's response to the fire, the firefighting arrangements at the trauma center and SMS hospital, the safety and evacuation of patients in the event of a fire, and the measures to protect the hospital from such fires in future and prevent recurrence, as well as submit a report on that.
घटना लापरवाही जो हुई है और घटना के बाद लापरवाही बढ़ती जा रही है। दुख इस बात का है, घटना हो गई है, अब लापरवाही क्यों हो रही है? कम से कम प्यार से बात तो करो, ढंग से बात करो, सांत्वना दो, हम पूरा आपको न्याय दिलाएंगे। तो कहो कम से कम, कोई मंत्री नहीं है, कोई मुख्यमंत्री का आदमी नहीं है, बॉडी को ढूंढ रहे लोग, ऐसा आज तक कभी नहीं हुआ है। बॉडी को ढूंढना पड़े, ये तो कहो भाई कि आप निश्चिंत रहो, हम खुद लगे हुए, हम चिंतित हैं, हमें चिंता है, लापरवाही जांच करवाएंगे हम लोग, किसकी लापरवाही की बात हुई है, ये तो कहने वाला कोई हो वो भी नहीं है, किसकी लापरवाही की जांच करवाएंगे, जांच करवाने कहने वाला कोई यहाँ नहीं है।